Hey, this is Cesar here. It's Rhodes and Cesar, and we are here at the place where we used to harvest our tomatoes, peppers, and other things. And this video is just to let you know, don't wait until the end of the season as it is today. This is not raining, it's basically ice that is falling from the sky, and we are not supposed to be here at this time of the year. So at the end of the harvest, you should pick up everything and clean your area and make it ready for this time of the year. It's mid-November and it's way too cold to be around here. We got sick, but we had to wait until today to come here, and sadly it is raining ice. So don't wait until you get a weather like this to finish the work. So we are trying to wrap everything up. There's Rode over there. Rode.
Hey everyone.
So we are trying to finish this. I don't know if we are able to finish just in one day, but the idea is to wrap up everything and start planning for next season. So if you want to know more about gardening and recipes, then subscribe to our channel. If you like this video and it has been useful to you, please hit the like button.